Hi everyone. It's been a long time since I yapped about something. So, yesterday I attended a conference titled as Pre-Conference of Women Thought Leaders Bharti Nari to Narayani. This conference was organized under the aegis of Bharatiya Vidvat Parishad and University Grants Commission. For this conference, UGC has given 8 to 10 subpoints on which the discussions should undergo with a critical analysis. One such subpoint is the She energy. In Hindi, it's written as Chetana, awareness and awakened agency or energy. One of the panelists who spoke on this key point said that women must celebrate their feminine energy and flourish their feminine